Hi guys, right, I'm back with another haul video. Yeah, I know I've been doing a few this week, but one of them was from a month ago, so I've got a new Jackson's haul. I've just got random bits and pieces, nothing spectacular, but I just wanted to share with you, because I'm really excited to open it, really am. And it got delivered this morning, and I've been busy this morning, so I couldn't do the video, but I'm not busy now and I want to open it. So this is a box, and I can't even remember. I know there's some paints in here, and I chose some singular pans and singular colours because I was watching a channel that was swatching colours, and they said the best way is to, if you're going to build your own palette, which I probably eventually will do, of colours that I particularly like, to buy individual colours from different sets. So I bought a few colours, too many, but a few. I'm just going to open this box. Still sealed there. See what's in here. Oh, right, okay, that's great. So I don't have to look all the way down to the list. And I can actually go through the pricing as well. That's most helpful. Right, so if I leave that over there. Right, okay. Right, what I'll do is I'll put this off to the side. I bought this. It's a Magic watercolour sponge eraser. It's a Frisk art and craft material. Completely remove unwanted watercolour paint from your paper with the miracle paint grabbing job ability of the Magic sponge eraser. Well, it sounds too good to be true, but they were on offer. That's why I picked them up. I don't know how much they are usually, but let's have a look. Frisk. Where is it on here? Frisk. They were £3.90. So you get 4 of them with sponges. So I don't know if they'll work, but we'll try them. This. Oh, it's nice. Nice size. It's a Mijello, and I've bought the paints, the Mijello paints, which are absolutely gorgeous. But I want to swatch them with you guys. And even though I'd put them in half pans, I'm running out the half pans, but I noticed that they do their own paint palettes. And I thought, I've got to have one of them to put the paints in. Right, so this is a airtight, it says peel off paint palette for acrylic or oils. I think because it's airtight, that's what it means, but I think you can put your watercolours in it. Let me have a look at this. What's all this? Mission permanent gesso. It's all written in Japanese, Chinese. Let's have a look. Oh, it's Korean, that's right. It's Korean. And this, oh, there it goes. So it's got Mijello written on it. And it's like one of those freezer tubs. Click off. There we go. Because it doesn't take the half pans. But it's got, how many wells has it got? Let me have a look. Mijello 24 well plastic palette with airtight lid. Yeah. So there's 24, then M3, and then this part. So I can put swatch all my colours, put them in there, and then swatch them all out. So I'm really pleased with that. And then it's got the lid as well. So how easy is this to put on? It goes on like those wash paint lids. That goes on really easy. Right, so I'm loving that. So I just need to wash it a little bit. Because it's got, you know, they go, it doesn't need it, but just a wipe over really. Just on the top here. Right, so that's that. What's in there? Keep all this cardboard for crafting. Oh, I know what this is now, yeah. It is the Daniel Smith transparent watercolour ground. Now I've got the transparent, rather, they do a black and they do a white. I got the transparent because I thought if I want to have it on a black or a white surface, I can go over with this and it's transparent enough to see through the backgrounds. It smells like glue and it looks like white PVA glue. Got the 118mm. Can't wait to actually use that. I am here bleeding, guys. My hands are very sore. I've been inking. I've got ink. I'm covered in ink. Look, I've just gone and washed my hands again. But because I use washing up liquid, I'm a little bit allergic to it. So it's open the skin paper. Right, yeah, great. I thought, oh my God, what haven't sent me all the stuff was all ordered. Okay, we've got a right mixture here. So off it goes again. So I bought, let me see if I can take that out of the, yeah. I bought a hake brush. This is a hand over hake. This is a 2-inch. And then I bought this brush. I think they were singular, but they've somehow put them together. Let me just have a look here. Yeah, the hake brush was £2.67. I just wanted something a little bit bigger with water, and I see Kerry uses one of these for her washes. And I wanted something a little bit wider to lay water down, so I thought I'm going to get one of those. And I bought this one for gluing, but it seems too soft. What is this one called? I don't know. Oh, it's a Thin Lily bristle brush, wooden handle, size 1 inch, and it costs £1.92. But that is not what I needed for gluing, because that's too soft. That's way too soft. It may be nylon, but it's way too soft to use in glue. That I just, you know, it feels like hair rather than nylon bristles. So I'll use that for something else. I bought 2 of these actually. I thought I bought them in the same size. Or didn't I? And I don't even know what they're called. One on there. Clearance item is a hand-over synthetic hair artist brush, student quality round, size 8. It's stamped incorrectly, and they were £1.86 each. So they're supposed to be the same size, and they do not look the same size. So let me just have a look. That says 8, that says 8. Yeah, they're definitely one's bigger than the other. And different shades as well. Yeah, they said they're stamped incorrectly, but you could clearly see by the heads, you know, they're not They may be a size 8, but one is a lot bigger than the other one. They look. But they will come in a treat because cheap paintbrushes, I don't care if they were stamped with an indecent amount of words on them, as long as they're good to use. Cheap, well, you know, I don't want to get cheap paintbrushes. I want quality paintbrushes, but good brushes. But if they're that price, why not? You can only try these things. They may be the best paintbrush I've ever used in the world, you know, but we'll see, because my history with paintbrushes of all sorts is not very good. And then I see this one and I thought, shall I, shan't I? I'm going to take the bands off of it. And then I went back to look for it through the site, which took me like 2 hours to try and re-find it again. And I thought, I'm going to get it. I want it. It looks nice. I haven't got a large brush like this. I'll show you how much was this one. This is a handover Keith Fenwick's Coniston. I don't know what that means. But it was £4.85, reduced from nearly £9. In the sale category, it's got an old label on it. It's that. It's got a lovely big handle. It's a big old brush. I want to take that off. I don't like that on there. Let me try and rub that bit off. I hate it when they're sticky on the chromy bit. Look how big that is. Look, it's lovely. For a big, large brush. What size is this brush? Doesn't say. But that has got to be... Oh, it's a big... Hang on. Some of these brushes I've got over here. What size do they say on them? That's a size 6. Don't know what size it is. How about this one here? That says an 8. Well, it's bigger than an 8 because these are an 8. It's got to be something like a 12. Maybe even a 14. Looks nice. I wanted a cheap quality brush to try. So these were nearly £9 originally. It's got a longish handle on it. But I think that would be nice to use, especially on big thick leaves and big flower heads or something like that, you know. I got this roller tray, you see. They'd run out of stock of the smaller version. This paint tray is for 7-inch rollers, but I only want it for a 2-inch roller, but because of the price, it was only £1.60, so I thought, I'll just pick it up. So I got that. So I ordered this, which was red plastic handle, £1.20 for that. And then there's 3 of these I ordered. They either had this foam or they had a really chunky, what is it, like a furry one. Now I went with the foam, and these roller heads were 63p each, so they worked out on with tax and everything £2.25. This was 30p, and that's why I bought it, because it's so cheap. I bought 2 of the Jackson's Artist watercolours. This is Indian Yellow Sub, it says. So it's Indian Yellow U on there. That was £2.60. And then I bought the... Oh, do I have to say that word? Can't. I'm just going to show you it. Well, it says Phthalo Green DP. And then I got these, which I'm excited to see. And let me put all the colours like that. No, like that. That's it. So, on here, I've got some, they're called White Nights, St. Petersburg White Nights. And I've got a few of the colours. They come in full pans to try. And this one here was the coral, and this was £2.70. This one here is the claret, which looked like a nice red, and that was £2.70. I think they all £2.70, aren't they? I'll make sure as I'm going. This one is the chromium oxide, £2.70, and this one is the Indian Sero Blue Lights. And where are you? That one was £3.70. So all those ones there were £2.70 and that was £3.70. But that's a nice blue. So I think that was it that I got. So just little random bits. I thought I'd lost the paintbrush holder, the roller holder, but it was actually there. So I managed to get that. This is too big, but they'd sold out of the smaller tray, and I thought, I'll just get it. It's only £1 off for that. So I got everything here for around £5. So yeah, that's all right to me. And then I've got the other little bits and pieces. Let me bring them back over. I've got all that and the roller stuff. So I am happy with that little lot. And that little lot did come to quite a bit of money, actually, you know. It all adds up. But yeah, overall happy. So thank you guys for watching. Just got to take a picture now for a fun now, and yeah, then possibly, oh, you can't see that now. Hang on a minute. Oh no, here we go. Let's lose everything. Let's put that like that. Now I've lost everything. Great. So I've got some new paintbrushes. Look how the hair goes into them at the sides. Amazing. Right, so if I put them like that, that's better, isn't it? Right, I'm going to go now. I've got another video to make yet, and hopefully I can get that done. But I want to do some of these paint swatching out in the week as well. So I'll catch you guys later then. Thank you so much for watching, and everyone else that's coming in new to the channel. Appreciate you. Appreciate everyone that's there. And know that I'm thinking about you. When you watch my videos, I know who's watching, you know. I know, and I bless you for watching them. Thank you so much. You've been a real sort of help to me, and I do appreciate that. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.